Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, March 14th, 2011. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 41 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had a large gap down this morning, and that was due to some of the overnight trading and everything that was going on with the Japanese markets. We actually were trading back and forth, and we're in a consolidation mode going into the open, and we were expecting a little bit of the range with some pressure to the downside, and that is indeed what we got. We opened up at around 1291, and we started immediately pushing up. We had an extension opportunity that hit its target one, but ended up getting stopped out with a T1 minus 2. Now, some of you, I'm sure, adjusted for the half gap and was able to actually capture profits on that particular one, but we did not trade through the half gap area, so we're going to call it a T1 minus 2. Then we came down through our moving average, got a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 8 ticks. And then we had a quick move to the upside, which produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks, as we finally did go up and trade through that half gap area. As we approached the pivot, kind of put in what looked to be kind of like a head and shoulder pattern in the making here at the 10 o'clock reversal time. Came back down, started retesting our lower edge of our range, pulled back, got a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 15 ticks as we broke down that neckline, came back for a quick retest, and then ultimately kept driving lower, and the market just kind of gained some momentum there. Took a quick bounce to the moving average. Now this was a high risk trade to take. It was only a 6 tick opportunity to the upside. Went up, found resistance at the open, and then came down on a quick extension to the downside, T1 and T2 for 7 ticks. So taking that long there, I advised against it just because the risk reward was not there, and with the downward pressure on the market, there was an extension opportunity, and had you taken the full swing, you actually had a second chance opportunity to even pick up quite a few more ticks as the market continued to trade off. And it wasn't until the lunchtime dead zone that it actually found support and started to reverse. Coming out of lunch, we actually did get a cross to the upside and got a signal to get long. We were able to get our first contract, ended up getting stopped out on the second, only to see the market go higher. That's disappointing when you see that, but again, we use very tight stops for a reason, and most times it does us more good than harm. And so this was an instance where the market did bounce off the moving average. There was an opportunity for you to look at the full swing and get in near the gold line, and that actually paid off very well as it traded back up towards that Globex low. And then there was one more signal entry to the downside, again another T1 minus 2. But all in all, it's hard to complain when you had 7 trades for 41 ES ticks. Just a fantastic day. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.